divided the class into group A and group B. Group A comprises of 2 rows sitting here, and group B comprises of the other 2 rows sitting here, okay, in front of me. And 4 of you from the online class, you are in group A, that is Manal, Ashaz, Laiba, Safa, okay, and Kawal also, and Zayan, Zinia, Abdul Muid, and Abdullah. They are in group B. Remember which group you are in, okay? आप बाकी सबको छोड़ दीजिए, अपना याद रखिएगा कि आप कौन से ग्रुप में हैं. Fair enough? Ready? Okay, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. पेंसिल लेके आउटलाइनिंग करना शुरू कर दे. जो क्वेश्चन ग्रुप ए पूछ चुका है फिर वो ग्रुप बी छोड़ दे. Of course, what they are not going to repeat. Okay, now I'm going to mark here. And from which chapter? Safa, group chapter 2, जहां तक हमने सैटरडे को पढ़ लिया था. Okay, this is A and this is team B. Okay, now 1 more minute. And there is a tricky part to it that I will tell you in the 20th minute. 8:20, when it's exactly 20. Read the chapter very closely. अभी तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं बता रही हूँ, अभी तो बुक देखो. Okay. You can take questions from your figures, the information boxes, and everything that is present in page 7, on page 7, page 8, 9, and 10. हमने 10 कंप्लीट कर लिया था ना? Okay, now it's time now. Prepare. You can keep your books open in front of you. Okay? Fair enough? Okay? You can keep your books in front of you. Actually, what I want is just a revision, and it's a quick quiz also. Now start group 1, group A. I need a question from Ishal. Quickly. Everybody is going to come here in front of the mic and ask the questions, because the group members online, they can also answer. Quickly, Ishal, quickly, dor ke. Run. Okay, group B, prepare the answer.
It takes dash days, approximately 1 year, to complete one revolution around the sun.
Okay, and who is going to answer first? हम जहां पर मौका दे रहे हैं रैयान फैसल. कम. जिसके पास जवाब है वो फौरन इशारा करूंगी और वो आ जाएगा. जैसी क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होते थे. Next, group B. Yes, I want a question from Sarah. Answer.
365.25 days.
Right, 365.25 days. And can you tell me what is 0.25 days? How many? What is 0.25 days means? 1/4. But आप मेरी बात समझे नहीं है. How many hours? How many hours 0.25 makes? बीच वहां से मुझे जवाबात नहीं चाहिए. Okay. Now जी, this question मैं आपकी तरफ से क्वेश्चन उधर डाल सकती हूँ. ठीक है. Okay, group 1, quickly come. Online students, I need a question from group 1.
Just 355 days and 6 hours.
Yes, very good, perfect. They earned a point here. Okay, Manal, give me a question. जोर से बोलिएगा. Manal is giving the question from group 1.
The
Okay.
Earth actually spins or rotates at dash kilometers per hour.
The Earth. Again, can you repeat quickly?
The Earth actually spins or rotates at dash kilometers per hour.
Okay. The Earth actually spins or rotates at how many kilometers per hour? Group B. Answer. Okay. Yes, you. Come quickly. Now group B. आप लोग question prepare
Miss
करें.
1670.
What?
1670.
70.
Kilometer.
Perfect. Is जोर से बोलिए ताकि she can. Manal, correct.
1670 kilometer.
Is she correct? Manal? Okay, fine. Okay, group B. I need a question. Sarah, come here. Okay, listen and raise your hand. I'm going to ask that person quickly.
The tilt of the earth causes the different length of dash and dash.
Again.
The tilt of the earth causes the different length of dash and dash.
Right. Okay.
Miss, the answer is day and night.
Very good. Very good. We are going neck to neck. Okay, group A, online. Can I have a question from the online group 1? Yes, Ashaz. Next, आप लोग prepare करेंगे जो यहाँ मौजूद है. ठीक है?
The day the North Pole leans towards the sun is known as dash and it is usually on dash.
एक fill in the blanks. सिर्फ एक fill in the blanks पूछिए, दो नहीं. ठीक है?
Okay, the day the North Pole leans towards the sun is known as dash.
The day the earth. Okay, where is it?
No, Miss, North Pole.
Okay. Okay. The day the earth, can you repeat the question again, Ashaz?
The day the North Pole leans towards the sun is known as dash.
Yes. Okay, I need answer. Who is going to give me the answer? Sarah, come. Next, आप लोग question prepare कर लिया? Next question. अच्छा, Ashaz, you are in group A, right? Okay, good.
Summer solstice.
You are going to bring the book to answer the quiz here?
Summer solstice.
Okay. Okay, now, G. Okay, prepare. Who has prepared the question? You. Okay, Ali, come here. Ali, I am. Yeah? Okay, yes, sorry. Group B is supposed to ask the question. Come. Thank you for correcting me. Yes, of course. You are going to ask the question so you can read from the book. Come here. Okay, pay attention to.
The sun and the speed at which the dash goes round the galaxy.
Can you repeat the question?
The sun and the speed at which the dash goes round the galaxy.
And the speed. नहीं आपने आपने पूरा question आप सही नहीं पूछ सके. Let me ask it for you. Okay, now pay attention. I'll correct the question here. Can I have another? Yes. Can somebody give me a question? आप इसको ठीक करें question को. आपका question सही है, but it's not properly put. Okay.
The dash is the only planet which supports dash.
Support. Let me take.
Supports life.
No. The dash is the only planet that supports life. Yes. जी सब बता दे. Earth. Okay, the answer is Earth. G. Okay, now group A. I need a question from Is that all? आप लोग prepare किया है question? Okay. और बिल्कुल सही से प्रिपेयर करेंगे और सही बताएंगे। नहीं, एक बस इसको dash कर दे।
The earth rotates around the dash.
The earth rotates. Yes. Okay. You. यहाँ ये जल्दी से. Don't you know the answer? What's your name, beta? Question. Repeat करें. Okay. Repeat. जोर से.
The earth rotates around the dash.
सादिक. मोहम्मद सादिक. कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. Relax. Relax.
Exist.
बेटा बुक लाके आंसर लेकर दिखाएंगे. बेटा I don't need books here. Questions should come from the books. Okay, yes, come. जाइए बैठिए. This time I'm going to mark you correct, but next it won't be correct. अगर book यहाँ तक आएगी. Just give me the question. Just show me first. Which one is it? Okay. Okay.
The rotation takes dash hours to complete. The rotation takes dash hours to complete.
The rotation around the sun takes dash hours to complete. Okay, can I get a question from the online group 1? Group 1 online से ले रहे हैं. So they don't feel left out. Kaval, do you have an answer? Zayan, Safa, beta, this is the easiest one. Come in your way. Nahin. It's not your turn to answer.
24 hours.
Yes, the earth takes 24 hours to rotate around the sun. Very good. Okay, yes. भाई मुझे आप लोग तो बहुत एक्टिव हैं. I want others also participating. Come. All the yes, you. Why are you sitting like that? Why are you not attending? I'm pretty confused. Come. एक minute. You can keep your question waiting, beta. Everyone needs to participate. Mark, बता दो जरा सा. एक मिनट के लिए.
The earth is divided into two halves
Yes, and if they are called.
called
Yes. Come. Book लेकर आएंगे क्या? Quickly. The earth is divided into two halves called dash. Called.
hemisphere.
Very good. Okay. Hemisphere. Next, I want a question from group B. Okay, Mars is here. Mars, you are in which group should I let you in? 9, 10, 11. We have 11 here. Okay, so Mars, you can be in group B. Group A, sorry, group B already यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है. Yes, Haram. Quickly, come. Haram is going to ask the question. People online prepare to answer group A.
The word equinox means dash.
जोर से, दोबारा से.
The word equinox means dash.
Okay, those who are online, answer. What does the word equinox means? Group A.
Which we haven't
Linear.
done till that page.
Zayan, who is that speaking? Aisha.
Miss me.
Okay, yes, give me the answer.
Miss, but that's on page 11. We have only done till page 10.
What did you say? I cannot hear you. Ashar, sorry, Ashar, can you repeat yourself? I couldn't hear it from him. Ashaf, can you repeat the answer quickly? Ashaf, can you hear me? And anybody from group A? Okay. Yes. Huren. Quickly. आप लोग प्रिपेयर करें क्वेश्चन. I need a question from you. Question prepare करें.
It means equal night.
Okay, sorry. I want you to prepare a question. Give me the answer.
It means equal night.
Equal night. Equinox means equal night. Okay. That means group one scored. It is level. Okay. And who is going to give me a question from group one? Have you prepared? Question मिला आपको पूछने के लिए पूछें. बिल्कुल मुश्किल सा. आजा. Quick. Everyone has to participate. Yes, very good.
The earth rotates from dash and dash.
From dash to dash. Okay. आ जाए जल्दी आ जाए. Okay, next question you. अब मुझे आपसे डर लग रहा है कि आप उछल के यहाँ तक आ जाएंगे, इसलिए अब आप क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करें. Okay, the earth rotates from dash to dash. From which direction to which direction?
West to east.
West to east. Question. Who is going to give me the question from group B? Okay, you have a question ready? Come. कोई बात नहीं. आप next है. जी, name. What's your name? Abdul Hadi Chauhan. Right.
The earth is tilted at dash degrees.
Okay, the earth is tilted at dash degree. Give me the answer from group one. You, the new admission. You are the new admission? No? I need an answer from you also. Online people. Abdullah Fahim. Okay, Abdullah Fahim. Shh. Sit down. Don't get jazbati. Don't get jazbati.
3.5 degree.
Very good. Abdullah Fahim, that is 23.5 degrees. Right? And we are going neck to neck. किसी ने किसी को अभी तक वो नहीं किया. कोई मुश्किल सा सवाल. But they are going to ask the question, na? You have a question, come. Okay, Zayan, you are next with the question. Okay? Wait.
The earth's axis is tilted, but the dash axis is straight.
नहीं, ये गलत आपने पूछा है. ये फिगर के लिए इसको छोड़े. कोई और सा क्वेश्चन लेकर आए. तैयार करें. Yes, Mishkat. Okay. Sorry, Zayan. It was Zayan's turn. Near the places near the dash receive sunlight more directly than the pura front.
Places near the dash receive the sunlight more directly than the places further away.
जोर से पढ़े, दोबारा से. Repeat.
Place.
जोर से. Pay attention.
Places near the dash receive sunlight more directly than places further away from.
Okay. Yes. Who can give me the answer? Manal. Manal is giving the answer. The places. Yes, Manal. Equator. ग्रुप ए की है. ओके, चले. आपको बेनिफिट. ये क्या हो गया? ओन गोल. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Who is supposed to answer? नहीं, आप नहीं. सारा. Let Sara come. जब बुलाया था आप तैयार नहीं थी. Sorry. Next. Yes. Next time नहीं करो. Next तुम्हारा है.
The northern hemisphere passes into fall after a dash.
दोबारा से जोर से पूछे.
The northern hemisphere passes into fall after the dash.
Yes. The northern na? Northern. Okay. Yes. Who is going to give the answer to this? Tara, can you please come and repeat the question?
The northern hemisphere passes into fall after the dash.
Yes, Huren. Huren. Okay, okay, एक minute. Safa, which group are you in? A or B? A. Let Safa answer. Thank you, beta. G, Safa.
Autumnal equinox.
What? Again, please, can you repeat louder?
Autumnal equinox.
Autumnal equinox. Correct. Okay. Now, group A. दूसरा कौन था जिसकी बारी अभी तक नहीं आई है क्वेश्चन में? आपने? Did you ask a question? Okay. Second last. Second last. Okay. Now, आप लोग prepare with the answer and next question is going to come from you. What's your name? Hidayah.
In the northern hemisphere, the day of north pole leans toward the sun is known as dash, and it's usually on dash.
इसमें से आप ये पूछ सकते हैं the summer solstice is usually on dash ये पूछे
The summer solstice is
is
usually on dash.
दोबारा से
In the northern hemisphere,
repeat
the summer solstice and it is usually on dash.
the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere is usually on dash. Yes. G Sadiq. Okay, next question is coming from Zayan. Zayan.
On 21st June.
Very good. 21st June. Zayan, are you ready with your question? Okay. Quickly. Okay. Shoot. Zayan, shoot.
The tilt of the earth causes the dash length of day and night.
Again, can you repeat because we cannot hear you clearly, beta?
The tilt of the earth causes the different dash of day and night.
Okay, yes. Now we can. Okay, let me see. I have to check the. Can you tell the page number, please, Zayan? Okay. Okay. The tilt of the earth. Yes, what is the blank again, Junaid? Zayan, I'm sorry if I repeat the answer. G Zayan. Okay, pay attention.
The tilt of the earth causes the different dash of day and night.
The tilt of the earth causes the different dash of day and night. Yes, group A. Who is going to give the answer? Asha, sabar. Yes, come. Hidayah, आप अच्छा नहीं अभी group A पूछेगा, then it's Hidayah's turn. Okay?
Well, the answer is length.
Length, very good. The different length of earth and day is why? Because of the tilt of the sun. Okay, now who is going to give this? Ishal. बेटा आंसर इन्होंने दिया ना, क्वेश्चन भी यही पूछेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज हिदाया की मैं अभी पहले वो कर दूं, मतलब हिदाया ने मुझे
3 months later, near Dash, the Earth reaches a place in its orbit where neither the north nor the south pole lean towards the sun. This day is called Dash.
कितना लंबा जी. Okay, yes. Did you get the question? No. Nobody got the question. Let me rephrase it. Okay, I'm going to rephrase it. That is that Near September 23, the Earth reaches a place in its orbit where the not the South Pole leans towards the dash. Leans towards the dash. Answer, do you know the answer? Come.
Leads towards the sun.
Very good. Leans towards the sun. Okay, now you can be seated. Hidayah, come. After all, now are you going to come with Luddi dance? Rejoicing?
The dash will take the place in June.
जोर से, जोर से.
The dash will take the place in June.
Not that. इसको क्वेश्चन को रिफ्रेश करें बिकॉज इसमें आपको आंसर नहीं मिला. ये पूछ लो ये वाला.
Around the 21st March is vertically.
आप इसमें से इसको डैश कर दे, इसको डैश कर दे या इसको डैश कर दे, ठीक है ना? ओके ओके, नाउ प्लीज पे अटेंशन.
Around 21st March is the dash.
Around 21st March is the dash. Yes. Okay. Yes, come. Okay, group A, get prepared with another question. And I need now the question is going to come from online. Group A online. Okay? Okay, come on. Yes. बुक लेकर नहीं आएंगे ना? आप खुद में बुक लेकर आके आंसर देने. और बताइए व्हाट इज द आंसर?
Vernal equinox. Vernal equinox.
Vernal equinox. What is it?
Vernal equinox.
Vernal equinox. When is the vernal? Okay. Group A, online people. Kaval, do you have a question prepared?
The path around the sun is known as N dash.
Okay. Dash. The path around the sun is known as dash. Okay. I want an answer from Group B. Group B. Kaval, are you in Group 1 or Group B? 1, na? Okay. Yes. The path around the sun is called dash. Group B. Answer quick. Online people. Can you raise your hand like this? Because आप लोग जो sticker है ना वो permanently लगे हुए हैं तो I cannot understand. Yes. Haram. अच्छा एक मिनट. What's your name बेटा? Question prepare करें जल्दी.
Miss Orbit.
Orbit. Very good. Okay, now your turn. Okay. Okay, yes, come. You are going to give the answer. Yes.
Places in the northern hemisphere will have longer days than places in the dash.
दोबारा से समझ ही नहीं आया.
Places in the northern hemisphere will have longer day than places in the dash.
थोड़ा रिफ्रेजिंग की जरूरत है इसलिए कि आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं क्लियर नहीं हो रहा. Then, कब होगा ये भी तो बताना होगा ना, है ना? आप एक और क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करें. And yes, अब्दुल्ला आप एक और क्वेश्चन इसी को रिफ्रेश करें क्योंकि you have to mention the time also when.
The midnight किधर गया? The midnight sun is a dash type of phenomena.
Midnight sun is the dash type of phenomena. Which page बेटा? Okay. ये आप कहाँ पहुंच गए? हमने तो वहां पढ़ा भी नहीं अभी. Okay. Who is going to give the answer? Group A. The midnight sun is a dash phenomena. Natural. Okay, correct. We are equal and our time is over. Okay, now I think